LinkedIn, it tends to feel curated and so professional, and it really creates this added pressure to it, doesn't it? And this leads to perfectionism, and it's not helpful. So here's what you can do to overcome perfectionism on LinkedIn. Hi, I'm Kristen Dyck. I'm the founder of AVRO Creative, where I am a personal branding strategist. I get to work with driven women like you to help you overcome imposter syndrome, communicate your value, and reach your career goals using my signature personal branding process. I'm also the creator of Opportunity Magnet, a course all about LinkedIn and how to strengthen your profile and your activities there in order to become a magnet for recruiters, leads, customers, and hiring managers. So today we're talking about overcoming perfectionism on LinkedIn. So being a perfectionist is something that we have all experienced at some point in our lives. From childhood to adulthood, particularly us women have faced so much pressure to be perfect. It's unsustainable for one thing, and it also forces us to miss out on so many things. I do not want you to miss out on all the wonderful things that can happen to you and to your career on LinkedIn. So that's why I'm making this video. So here's what I want you to know first of all. It is not possible to be perfect, and that's because you can't please everyone. So the first step to getting past your perfectionism is to acknowledge that you have it. For many of us, we don't even necessarily realize that we have this little voice inside of our head holding us back. So I want you to first pause and realize, okay, I'm taking on this perfectionist attitude. Is it serving me or not? What is the consequence of me posting something on LinkedIn and it not being perfect? Well, the consequences of that aren't really that big. Now, let's contrast that with not posting anything on LinkedIn. What are the consequences of that? Well, the consequences of that are actually pretty big because there's a huge opportunity that comes with creating your own content on the platform. So recognize that and use that to fuel you as in your journey as you're overcoming this perfectionism. So what I would love for you to do is to take this approach. Progress over perfection, okay? Take those steps, create those posts, overcome your fears, and build your confidence while being on LinkedIn. So something else that I want to tell you about that can help you while you're doing this process, because it's not going to happen overnight, is my personal tip. It's something that I do myself, and it is writing a draft. Writing a draft and leaving it for 24 hours. A friend once said to me, never underestimate the power of a terrible first draft. So what I want you to do is when that idea strikes, get to your desk, get to your notebook, write it down, come back 24 hours later. You probably have something just wonderful in there, something impactful, and you can copy, paste that, and turn it into a post. The reason you want to leave it for 24 hours is to come back totally refreshed, have fresh eyes and new perspective, and you'll likely realize, okay, now I know what I need to do to improve this, or hey, this is actually really good. Just in the moment of me writing it, I was a little bit insecure. So I really want you to stop letting perfectionism hold you back. Your unique perspectives are needed in the world right now. So if you want to learn more about LinkedIn and how to use it for the good of yourself and your career, then come check out Opportunity Magnet today.